Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see blocked emails over on the Gmail app. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this, and this will be working over on your iPhone and Android. So all you need to do is open your Gmail app just like this, and once you've done that, all you need to do is once you're at this page right here, you want to go to the top left corner of your screen and you want to click on those three little stripes. And then you want to scroll a little bit down maybe, and then you want to click on settings right here. Once you have done that, then you will see your name with your email underneath that. Simply click on it, and then you will see right here, you will see blocked users where you can click on. Once you have done that, you will literally just see blocked users right here, and we can literally see right now that I have no users currently blocked, but if I blocked an email address, then that exact email address will have been displaying right here. So that's basically how you can see blocked emails or email addresses over on the Gmail app. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.